eyes. I'll close my eyes with you. And let's take a breath in. So just breathe in. And listen to Alfie eating ice cream. And just know that whatever you're going to say on YouTube is super special. And there are no mistakes that you can really make. Ding! Okay, so you want to introduce yourself, so say your name.
I'm Sophia, and...
Yeah. And so you have a story that you want to share with me? Or with YouTube?
Well, it's not exactly a story, it's like something about me.
Okay, sure. I'm excited. Okay.
So, I find that sometimes I make noises, like with my mouth I can make all sorts of noises.
Cool.
And some of my friends find it kind of weird. They're not quite sure what to do when I do it. But I find sometimes it makes me feel like good and relaxed.
Can we get an example of these noises? I'm excited to hear
One of the
them.
noises that I usually do is this one.
It's like a Donald Duck noise. So when would you do this noise? Like if you're writing a test or like...
No, I usually do it like when I'm kind of like focused on something, or I'm just like walking around. It depends.
And so how do people react to that? What do your friends do?
Some of them find it kind of interesting. And others are kind of not sure. Like, they've never really heard someone do that before, so they're not sure, like, what to do, really.
And how do you feel when they respond like that?
I feel that, I don't have to do it too much around them, but I can do it because it makes me feel good.
That's really cool. It's so good to know something that makes you feel calm and good. And you already found this magical sound, and there's probably others. You might even make a whole song out of this.
And it's kind of fun to figure out all these noises, because I've never met anybody that can make the noise I made.
Maybe you have like a language, like dolphins have a language or something, and you're going to meet other magical people that make these noises, but they're only going to be like certain people that do them. That's really cool. It's like a magical journey. Cool. That's awesome. Have you talked about these noises with a lot of people or not really? Huh. That's pretty brave to share it with us. And you know what? Who knows? Somebody might be watching YouTube and be like, hey, that's totally me, and write a comment, and then you can talk with them. Now, what else can we talk about? What do you feel you'd like to share? Is there anything else that you'd like to share?
Well...
Alfie wants to say hi again. Look, he's doing a little intermittent waving. Now, who are you guys? How do you know each other? Oh, wait, hold on, let me guess. Do you hang out a lot?
Yes.
He's saying no, you're saying yes. Okay. Do you, so we don't know who they are yet. Do you share a lot of things that you like in common? You like to do the same things. Not everything, but some.
Kind of opposites.
Okay, kind of opposites.
Like, for example, ice cream. He likes rainbow sorbet, and I like peanut butter chocolate.
Okay, but you still like ice cream. Now, let's see if YouTube can guess who they are. So let's see. YouTube, do you think that these two human beings are best friends? And we don't get a response because it's just YouTube, so they can't immediately respond to us. Do you think they are neighbors? Do you think they're colleagues? Or do you think they are siblings? You think they're siblings? Ding, 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 ding. Okay, who's the older one? Ding, 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 ding. Who's the younger one? Ding, 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 ding. And so how old are you, Sophia, now?
8.
Oh my holy jumping Peters!
And I'm gonna turn 9 in October.
Now the reason I'm reacting like that is because I was your teacher. I knew you when you were so little, probably Alfie's age. I think you were like 6 when I first met you. And I'll just say, the way that Sophie and I met is you drew a minion for me, and my teacher name is Miss Rainbow Fairy, and I watched you, without looking at a minion from your beautiful smart brain, draw a minion from your mind on a paper and then put a crown and half hair on the minion. And I still have this drawing, by the way. I should show you. Yeah, and I kept it because I knew you were a special human being, and then I became friends with your family, right? And Alfie, how old are you now?
6.
Yeah, this is amazing. Okay, so you were the older one, you're the younger one. Do you get along well?
Yeah.
Look at each other, check.
Sometimes no.
Okay, so what do you fight about? Because I'm actually going to write a blog post this week about siblings. So what do you fight about? What's your biggest fight? Toys?
Yeah.
No, okay.
Don't even remember.
Okay. When you fight, do you guys say sorry to each other?
Yes.
Yeah. Who has a harder time saying sorry? Does anyone have a harder time saying sorry when they've hurt somebody else's feelings? Or you both easily say sorry if you're wrong? And you really care about each other. Am I right?
Sometimes no.
Sometimes you have a harder time saying sorry? I felt like that too. So sometimes you have a harder time saying sorry, but you still do. What do you love playing together?
Building forts. Yeah, we love building forts.
forts.
We like to do like crafts and Lego and stuff and make up our own like worlds and things together.
Do you feel like you're having a very magical childhood?
Yes.
Do you feel like some kids that you know at school or in